Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your money, work and abundance reading. Libra, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time to have a fabulous and abundant October. Thank you. So Libra, before I put your cards down, I'm going to take a blessing from Lord Ganesha because Lord Ganesha is the god of abundance, of prosperity, happiness, joy. So it's just apt that we take a blessing from Lord Ganesha first. Let's see. So Lord Ganesha, what do you have for Libra this month in October? Priorities. Yes, scattering too much of your energy, it seems, Libra. You have to now, if you're doing 20 things, you'll have to cut out a few things which are not important and save your time, energy, resources, and focus on the things that are most important to you. At least that's the feeling I get from this card. What do you think, Libra? Set your priorities and things will get better. If you've been worrying about something, maybe you're scattering too much of your energy. Let's see what my angels have for you. My angels, what do you have for Libra? For their work and abundance and money? This one. Don't compromise. Yes. How beautifully these two cards kind of are going together. You have to prioritize your time, your effort, your energy on the things that matter and don't compromise any of these for useless activities, right? And that's what's going to lead you to abundance. You are scattering, I think, too much of your time and energy on things and people which are not going to benefit you in the long run. So don't compromise on that and prioritize your life. What a strong message. So let's see, Libra, why are these cards here now and what you can do to rectify that. So welcome back my subscribers. Thank you for all your support and love to the channel. And if you're new here, do join our Omkara family. We welcome you in. Do subscribe to the channel. We meet here monthly, weekly, weekends. And yes, do join us and be part of us. We welcome you in. What am I doing? Sorry. Wrong spread. Okay. Excuse me. I'm going to do this again. So, got distracted for a moment. I was trying to think of these two cards. Very powerful. I'm sure most of you know exactly what this is all about. And you'll be able to deal with it. Ten of Pentacles. This could be in a family situation, right? But it's a beautiful card. Let's see why it's here. Ten of Pentacles is like family legacy and inheritance, money, and everything provided for. But it could also mean, because I'm seeing the other two cards, that maybe there are people in your family or your extended family who could be draining away your time, taking you away from growth of your money and abundance. Let's see. First card here is the King of Pentacles. Sorry, King of Cups in reverse. Six of Swords and the Ace of Swords in reverse. Yes, that could be somebody emotionally manipulating you here, Libra. Who's this King of Cups spirit and why is this person in reverse? This could be an, it's like a structure. It could be a higher up in your family, could be a father figure, somebody who's very controlling, who's very manipulative, and you really want to start something new and get away from this person. I think that it's like having a dictator over you. Yeah, you don't want to kind of fight this fight anymore. I think somebody's putting a lot of pressure on you here, Libra. What's this King of Cup spirit? Hermit. This could be an older man in your life, Libra. Somebody who makes you do things the way they want it done. They emotionally are maybe a bit manipulative, and you are now wanting to not fight this fight anymore. You are wanting to get away from the clutches of, always having to conform to a certain way of doing things, and you're wanting to start something new and fresh for yourself. I think you've been trying that for a long time. Six of Swords. Why is the Six of Swords here, Spirit? Was there a partnership which fell through, Libra? A partnership that you were trying to get out of troubled times and move into a happier zone, and because this partnership fell through, you kind of went into hermit mode, and that may be affecting your work or money life as well, right? What's this Ace of Swords, Spirit, in October? Yes, yes. See, absolutely correct. See, there's something that you're not clear about. You don't know how to move forward with the something which is kind of keeping you in this state, Libra. If you're going to spend so much time worrying and being, bound and stressed and tense, where are you going to concentrate on your work, right? You are not prioritizing your work, it seems, at the moment. You are totally in your head about this failed stability of some partnership in the past, right? Something that didn't fall through, or it fell through basically, and it didn't come about. You lost that stability, and you are now not clear. You're not excited. Like normally you would be, charging ahead and saying, "Hey, I'm going to accomplish this. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do this." But right now the Ace of Swords in reverse, because your eyes are closed, your hands are tied, and you are stressed and worried and in your head. Because maybe you have to release some past pain here. You're not feeling in a loving or loved space. You're looking for a commitment. You're looking for stability. You don't want to have a fight anymore. And once you can get that, once you feel you can heal this broken heart of yours, is when you can move forward, right? But that's not true, Libra. You have to kind of uh, prioritize and differentiate between what you're focusing on, because otherwise your work is going to suffer here. Let's see, what is it that you are holding on to? Yes, you're holding on to the loss of love here. Maybe there was someone in your life who has taken away their love from you. Yes, turned their back on you, is no longer giving you the love and affection, and you're still holding on to that pain very, very deep. And because of that, you seem to have gone into some kind of a hermit mode where you are not excited about your work anymore. Yeah, you feel that till the justice is not brought to the situation, you are going to not have, not have that will to move forward. Let's see, what is it that what should you let go of? Page of Cups in reverse. I think you are waiting. You're waiting for somebody else to come towards you with an apology or with an offer of love. So Spirit is saying, let go of that, right? Let go of the fact that, I'm going to sit here, and the only way I will ever be happy if somebody else is going to come towards you and make things right with you. You're holding on to this very tight, that nothing can move in your life till I don't get that love back, or that apology, or that stability, or that love that somebody has now withdrawn from your life. Spirit is saying, please let go of that. I mean, at least prioritize. I mean, that's why the card of Lord Ganesha was saying, where are your priorities? You're confusing your life with one aspect of your life. You're so waiting for this to happen so you can bring justice to this situation so you can move ahead. No, that's not the way it happens, Libra. That's not the way it's going to happen. One more card, Spirit, for the Page of Cups. Yeah, you have to now charge ahead. You want to charge ahead. You want to be happy. You want to make fast forward movement in your life. But right now you are, I think, not doing nothing. You're not even moving. You're not, I mean, if you really want it that bad, you can go towards the person, but you're not even doing that. And that's leading to this feeling of I can't move, because you're waiting for one aspect of your life which is stuck. So please prioritize your life. Don't let your work suffer in the mix of whatever you're going through here. What's going to be your biggest blockage? Your biggest blockage this month is going to be stagnancy. I think you have totally given up on making moves in many different spheres of your life. And if you just stand here waiting for somebody else to move so you can move, it's not going to work. You're bringing in too much stagnancy into your life, Libra, and that's going to soon become a blockage, because work doesn't wait forever, nor does money, nor does abundance. If you let it slip through your fingers, it's gone, right? So learn to prioritize your life, please. Page of Pentacles, Spirit. Yeah, here it is. All your investment that you made for so many years of your life, you're going to let it drain out? Are you? Because of the stagnancy that you brought into your life? Because you are mentally disturbed or upset about somebody or some partnership that didn't work out in the past, and you feel till that doesn't become fine, you're just waiting and doing nothing. One more card, Spirit, for the blockage. Why is Page of Pentacles going? Yeah, because here you are going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, that when this will happen, then that will happen, and when this will happen, and that will happen, and you're just standing here and not making a move, right? So please, Libra, prioritize your life if you can. And what was the other card? Don't compromise. Yes, don't compromise on your work for something somebody may or may not do for you, right? So let's see what's going to be. How do people see you? People see you as the Judgment card. There are many different ways I can interpret this card right now, Libra, but I'm going to take clarifiers before I put my foot in my mouth. Yeah, so people see that you probably had a fight with someone, right? Maybe it's your own ego, your own pride, or somebody's ego and pride, where there was a bit of competition or wanting to win at any cost. There was this partnership which led to this breakup of this partnership, right? Whatever you are now grieving upon, and people see that maybe now you're getting your karma. If you did it, people also see you standing here and grieving of what is lost now, right? They see that you're carrying a heavy burden of this yet, right? You're still carrying a heavy burden of whatever conflict and fight that happened with you and your person. But people also see that, Libra, it's very easy for you to, have this rebirth. If only one of you would take an apology or a sorry, there is a strong possibility of you having a rebirth and start again, fresh, happy, new. People see that around you, but I don't think you're listening to anyone, Libra, because here you are. Your eyes, ears, hands, everything is tied up and saying, hey, I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to stand here. I'm going to keep thinking, and I'm not going to apologize, and I'll just wait. I'll just wait for things to get better on their own. Spirit is saying you're wasting precious time. Don't compromise on your time. Let's see what Spirit's secret advice is to you. 9 of Cups. Okay, Spirit, why is that your secret advice or message for Libra? 9 of Cups. 9 of Cups for Libra. Okay, one more. One more. Spirit is saying, Libra, come, first of all, get out of this restless state that you've put yourself in, okay? Secondly, this stagnancy, this depression, right? You just, the reading I've done for you, Libra, I have this person sitting under a tree. I actually feel like going and getting this tree cut so you can no longer sit under it. For last 3 readings, I mean, one of my readings was called Sitting Under a Tree, question mark. And then I had another one on Thursday for the weekend love bite. Again, you were in the same position. And even now I see you're sitting right here, not even making a move towards your work and abundance and money now, right? You put a total stagnant halt to your life. Spirit is saying it's time now to close that chapter of regret and unhappiness in your life and make moves to bring wish fulfillment into your life. Just by sitting and doing nothing, nothing is going to happen, Libra. And don't put all your eggs in one basket that if this doesn't happen, that won't happen. Prioritize your life, don't compromise on your work, and otherwise you're going to drain away whatever you have worked for so long as well. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Please take this advice. If you need a private reading, you can reach me, and if not, I will be having your love readings coming soon, and let's see what's going to happen there. So love and light. Take care. Namaste.